Craving juicy, flavorful grilled lamb chops? This easy garlic and herb recipe is perfect for a quick family dinner or weekend barbecue. Let's get started. You'll need 8 lamb chops, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 4 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon chopped rosemary, 1 tablespoon chopped thyme, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. In a bowl, combine the olive oil, garlic, rosemary, thyme, paprika, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Stir everything together until well mixed. Coat the lamb chops evenly with the marinade, making sure every piece is covered. Let them marinate for at least 30 minutes for the best flavor. Heat your grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. Lightly oil the grates to keep the lamb from sticking while it cooks. Place the lamb chops on the hot grill and cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium rare, or a little longer if you like them more done. Transfer the grilled lamb chops to a plate and let them rest for 5 minutes. This helps the juices stay inside the meat, making every bite tender and juicy. Serve your grilled lamb chops with roasted vegetables, mashed potatoes, or a fresh salad. Garnish with fresh rosemary and lemon wedges, then enjoy this delicious homemade meal.